The following is the National Weather Service forecast discussion from the Buffalo, New York. This was issued 9:38 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday, December 11th, 2023. Weather synopsis: a storm system will bring rain changing to a general snow this early morning across the eastern Lake Ontario region. While light lake effect snow falls southeast of the lakes, the general snow will end east of Lake Ontario through the evening hours of today. However, the lake effect snow will continue, accumulating southeast of the lakes this evening, and then weaken as it lifts northward late tonight. It will be dry but breezy Tuesday with temperatures crossing the 40-degree Fahrenheit mark for many locations. In the near term, northwest flow will continue across the eastern Great Lakes region today. Multiple narrow bands of lake effect rain and snow showers have developed east-southeast of the lakes this morning. Most of the area is above freezing with the exception of the higher terrain. Area webcams and surface observations display mainly snow in the higher elevations east of Lake Ontario, while lower elevations remain a mix of rain and snow. As the mid-level trough axis passes across the region today, precipitation will become all snow with the deepening cold air. However, at this time, the better lift will be exiting to our east, with just upslope flow lingering snow east of Lake Ontario through the afternoon. A winter weather advisory will remain in place here. Lake effect snow. Meanwhile, the colder air is generating a weak lake effect response. This activity, becoming all snow, will be minor through the daylight hours downwind of the eastern Great Lakes and a west-northwest flow of shallow moisture. There may be a brief uptick in organization after sunset tonight in the lake effect snow band. Surface high pressure will press towards our region tonight, backing the surface winds while also supplying additional dryness in the lower and mid-levels. This will weaken the lake bands as they lift northward with increased wind shear late tonight, all but ending any lingering lake bands of snow. An inch or two of snow southeast of the lakes with perhaps a half inch of snow near Buffalo and Watertown as the lake snows lift northward and weaken tonight. Any snow in Buffalo would likely all fall just after midnight and before the morning commute tomorrow. Though east of Lake Ontario, some snow may still be falling near Watertown as the morning commute starts. The winds will be west-northwest. Winds will increase to 15 to 25 miles per hour, with gusts up to 35 miles per hour today. The higher gusts will be along the southern shore and inland of Lake Ontario through the afternoon hours. Short-term Tuesday through Wednesday night. Tuesday will be a windy day, especially across the Niagara frontier. 925 MB winds increase to 40 knots and become well aligned with surface winds across the Niagara frontier midday Tuesday. This, combined with clearing skies, suggests fairly good mixing, supporting the potential for wind gusts approaching 50 miles per hour possible. Not as windy elsewhere, where winds aloft will be weaker, but gusts 35 to 40 miles per hour are possible. Otherwise, it will be a warmer day with highs in the upper 30s to lower 40s. Some lingering lake-enhanced snow showers possible east of Lake Ontario Tuesday morning. After this, our attention turns to the potential for lake effect snow east of Lake Ontario. A short but favorable window for lake effect snow opens up Tuesday night and Wednesday. A mid-level trough will dig across New England, providing deeper moisture and dropping 850 MB, that's temperatures 5,000 feet above the surface, to 13 degrees below 0 Celsius across Lake Ontario. One second. Southwesterly flow will gradually shift to the northwest, with the westerly winds during this transition having the best chance to produce heavy snow due to the long fetch and the potential for a Georgian Bay connection. As is typical, the RGEM is by far most aggressive with this and likely has the best handle on band location. However, other high-resolution model guidance has much less QPF. Forecasts will weight the RGEM, but with virtually no support from other guidance, do not have the confidence to issue a watch at this time. However, this does appear likely to produce advisory snows of 4 to 7 inches on the Tug Hill, with a small chance of localized warning amounts if the RGEM fully verifies. Shorter fetch and the lack of an upstream connection will limit accumulations off of Lake Erie. Outside of this, there will be scattered snow showers Tuesday night and Wednesday, but little, if any, accumulation outside of the lake effect areas. Wednesday will be a fairly blustery day with highs in the low 30s, winds gusting to 30 miles per hour. Winds will be northwest by late Wednesday, leading to more disorganized lake effect snows southeast of Lake Ontario. This could result in 1 to 3 inches of snow from Monroe to Cayuga counties until winds diminish and temperatures aloft warm by late Wednesday night. Diminishing winds will allow for limited radiational cooling, with lows ranging from the teens east of Lake Ontario to the lower to mid-20s elsewhere. Long-term forecast Thursday through Sunday. The long-term period will feature mainly dry weather with high temperatures averaging above normal. High pressure centered across the Appalachians will maintain mostly sunny skies and breezy southwesterly winds for Thursday and Friday. A moisture-starved mid-level trough will track to our north across eastern Canada Friday night through Saturday night. This will bring a very small chance of rain or snow showers east of Lake Ontario, but otherwise the dry weather pattern will hold through the weekend. Thursday will be a cooler day with highs in the 30s, but after that, highs will be in the 40s through the weekend.